Rob, before jury members even took their seats today, defense attorney Bob Motta Jr. launched a tirade against the Douglas County Attorney's Office, claiming they never got all the DNA material that they requested. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein fired right back, saying the defense keeps losing the material. Motta began to counter, and that's when Judge Gary Randall snapped, warning the defense attorney he was near contempt.
I've never seen or been a part of a case that was as contentious between the lawyers as it was today.
Joe Natz was in the courtroom for it all. He's a former prosecutor and current criminal defense attorney. Now, at one point, Klein mentioned that Motta told him one of the defense witnesses wasn't going to testify. Klein decided then not to depose the witness, but then Klein learned the witness was going to testify. I trusted his word, the county attorney said, adding apparently that was a mistake. Motta firing right back, saying, I'm sick of his mouth. Now, in fact, the lawyers spent so much time arguing between themselves today, there was more of that than testimony. When the defense finally got around to its first witness of the day, it was almost lunchtime. KETV News Watch 7's Christina Engdahl is live at the Douglas County Courthouse with what that expert had to say. Christina?
And David, first up for the defense was a gun expert who had his own opinion on that gun tossed on the side of Interstate 70 in Indiana.
Nick Renz is retired Navy and close combat trained. Based on his experience, he thinks the magazine in that gun is 6 to 9 months old. Prosecutors found a bill of sale for Garcia's gun issued just 2 months before the murders of Roger and Mary Brumbach. So the defense turned to the gun parts found at the Brumbach's home. The state's gun expert testified last week they could be found in a variety of guns, but the defense's expert disagreed. Don Klein, those 3 parts, no questions, are from an SD9? Renz, yes. An SD9 is a type of gun registered to Anthony Garcia. The defense hoping to undo the damage. Jeremy Jorgensen asks, could those pieces be part of another gun? Renz, not in my opinion. Jorgensen, other Smith & Wesson models? Renz, no. And criminal defense attorney Joe Natz tells us that's not what they wanted to hear.
The defense witness turned into a valuable witness for the state in that moment.
I also spoke with Garcia's defense team today, who say they're still mad about Judge Randall's ruling yesterday, which excluded a key piece of evidence for their case. Bob Motta Jr. tells me, quote, if we're seeking the truth, the jury should have heard it.
All right, Christina Engdahl, David Earl live for us tonight. Thank you both.